The prototype of the Russian-made fighter jet known as the Pak-FA T-50 has now been coined the Su-57, after its new fuselage passed all tests. The advanced aircraft still needs to undergo both weapons and engine testing before final production can begin. The ninth prototype of the T-50 has been equipped with the ICE-Delhi 30, fifth-generation engine, which will be tested at the end of the year. Compared to the ICE-Delhi 117, the engine is a new development and has already been installed in the latest Su-57. The ICE-Delhi 117 is a modernized version of the IE-31 engine, the heart of the original Su-27. Each new engine will enable the Su-57 to maintain cruising speed during supersonic flight, meaning the jet will be able to fly consistently at 2,000 km per hour, 1,200 miles per hour. The composite materials used to make the new fuselage will also improve the fighter's stealth abilities, making it harder to detect on enemy radars. However, the first 8 Su-57 seconds rolled off the production line will most likely have the old metal hearts. Viktor Murakhovsky, editor-in-chief of Arsenal. It won't be until 2019 that Russia's Air Force will be beefed up with Su-57 seconds, fully loaded with the new technology, including the ICE-Delhi 30. The engine will need to be put through a long string of tests and will be mounted on the Su-57 aircraft no earlier than 2019 or 2020, Murakhovsky added. Unlike previous prototypes, the ninth prototype of the Su-57 is equipped with the full set of radio-electronic equipment that will be installed on the completed version of the jet. This will allow the aircraft to evade all modern air defense systems, Murakhovsky explained. The first phase of tests for the Su-57 demonstrated impressive control when traveling at both subsonic and supersonic speeds, as well as at various altitudes. Mass production will only start after the second stage of the tests is completed, weapons testing. According to the president of the United Aircraft Corporation, Yuri Slyusar, the Russian Air Force will receive the first 12 Su-57 aircrafts in 2019.